Do you want to know how to import snaps from camera roll? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. Well, first of all, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account. Now on the top left corner of the screen, you're gonna see your Bitmoji. Tap on it. Then go to settings from the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and look for the memories option. Now under memories, you're gonna see storage option where you'll find import snaps from camera roll. Tap on that, then select the snap that you want to import. Now once you do that, go ahead and tap on import the number of snaps that you have selected from the bottom of your screen. Then you'll successfully import snaps from camera roll. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.